Welcome again. Right. Today we will be learning how to add a specific category of your shop onto a brand new page. I've started this recording slightly late, so all you would want to do is you'd want to go on to manage pages. So from here, um, add a page. So I selected blank page, and then all you'd want to do is click settings once you create it. And if you don't want it to pop up inside a ribbon at the top, then make sure you select hide from menu. So we've done that now. And we also want to make sure where it says social share, sometimes this becomes lowercase. So if your company name is something else, then, so for example, this company was like this. So I like to have things in capital. That's it. And then for description, you don't always need to add it on. I don't wish to add it on, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. Adjust image, I am going to change that, and I would like to make it you know, sometimes when you're trying to search for something and you just can't find it. I think this would be okay. Done. Yeah. So this is our page set. Now we want to add the category plus store. Now there's a few types. There's sliders, grids, single products, bestsellers. I'm guessing you'd want to put the whole grid, which is exactly what we are doing right now. But all of the other ones will follow the same procedure. So this will come up. Now this is the whole shop. We don't want to do that. We want to select a category. And our category is called our shop, which should be somewhere here. There we go. And now everything should change. That's it. Display. We want there to be filters. We want actually we can remove the filters. You can add them on for yourself. I'm gonna keep the sort by. Product price, ribbon we're going to remove. A digital download badge. There's no digital items here. Add to cart. On hover only, that's actually better. Quantity selector, keep that there. Actually, there's no need to have it on. So what this is like this. That's not something that we need. Product options. Yeah, I think I'll keep the product options. And that's about it. That's your shop done. And then what you can do, I think it'll look more subtle if we have it on hover only. I'm struggling to make my mind up here. Settings, scroll behavior, infinite scroll. I like to keep it like that. Sticky sidebar. We don't have a sidebar, but if you click sticky, that's basically as the person scrolls on the left hand side or on the right hand side, if there's categories, that will stay with them. Layout, general, stretched, full width. That's not going to work here. Product grid, let's have 5 items. And products per load, let's do all 45. There's 45 items inside this category. Now it's just colors, which is somewhere here. Filters, sorting, quick view. There we go. So it's one of these. Should be this one. Anyhow, I hope you get the gist of what's going on. And yeah, in terms of editing the colors, what you can do is click on settings, display, design, and here we are. Here's all of our design. So general, filters. It's always good to just filter through everything in case there's any colors. I think when we originally made this site, we used the color rose gold, so that stayed on a lot of our pages. Just like that, one by one. That's okay. Product options, quantity, name and price divider, quick view button, add to cart button. This is the button. Let's change that to this color. And let's change the text to white. Perfect. Looks lovely. Always make sure you go through everything else as well, just in case. Yeah, and I think everything here looks great. Let's test the page. Our shop. Sort by newest. Yep, we think that's working perfectly fine. You'd also want to click on any of the items, just make sure the inside page is all okay. And in our case, we've kept the background as black. That's it. Perfect. Thank you so much. See you inside the next video.